Once upon a time in British-occupied India, a wandering soul was born. Whoa! No one can stop this tornado named. I think I was wrong. An angry voice of a mother could. And this always made him calm and rest for a while. So what if it's upside down? He was the pride of his friends. He had many great adventures. So what if there were a few falls?